write a possible equation for w of x, where the zeros are -1, 2 minus square root of 3, and 3 plus I. Notice that the zeros are one integer, one irrational, and one imaginary. Since we know that irrationals come in pairs, then the conjugate of 2 minus square root of 3 is also a 0. So we have to list here also 2 plus square root of 3. And since imaginary zeros also come in pairs, then the conjugate of 3 plus I, which is 3 minus I, should also be 0. So now we can start writing the factors of w of x. So w of x is equal to x minus times x minus times x minus times x minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more. X minus. So here I'll put -1. Here I'll put minus 2 minus square root of 3. And I'll take the other one, other irrational. So that's going to be 2 plus square root of 3. And here I'm going to take the imaginary number 3 plus I. And here its conjugate 3 minus I. All right, so we can write this as w of x is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus square root of 3 times x minus 2 minus square root of 3 times x minus 3 minus I times x minus 3 plus I. Okay, I will not show the entire work. I will show though how to multiply these two factors that have imaginary numbers in them. Okay, so let's multiply them here. Okay, so we'll have here x minus 3 minus I, on the side x minus 3 plus I. So x times x gives us x squared. X times -3 is -3x. X times I is -ix. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times -3 is 9. -3 times -I is +3i. Then I times x, -3i, and -I squared. So we'll have here x squared minus 6x, ix, and -ix will be cancelled. -3i and +3i will be cancelled. So we are left with +9 and then minus I squared. Okay, now we know that I is equal to square root of -1. Therefore, I squared is equal to square root of -1 times square root of -1, which is equal to -1. So therefore, this will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus I squared is negative 1. Therefore, we'll have x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 1, which gives us x squared minus 6x plus 10. All right, so we know that this is not the final answer. This is only the product for these two. We have to get the product of this two, multiply to this, to the product of the product x squared minus 6x plus 10. And after that, multiply by x plus 1. So I will leave you the challenge of finishing this up on your own.